Cooking is more than just a chore. It's a way to express creativity, connect with loved ones, and enjoy the art of preparing delicious meals. To achieve culinary perfection, the tools you use matter. This JEETEE Pots and Pans Set Non-Stick 20-piece is a complete game-changer, designed to meet the demands of both novice cooks and seasoned chefs. Packed with versatility, durability, and health-focused features, this cookware set ensures every dish you prepare is a masterpiece. From its non-stick granite coating to its induction compatibility, this set is crafted to make cooking easier, healthier, and more enjoyable. Whether you're frying up breakfast or simmering a savory stew, this set has you covered. In this comprehensive review, we'll delve into its features, benefits, and why it stands out in the crowded cookware market. Plus, we'll guide you on how this set can transform your kitchen into a professional cooking space. Let's dive in. Key features of JEETEE Pots and Pans Set. 1. Comprehensive 20-piece set. This cookware set includes 8-inch frying pan, 10-inch frying pan, 11-inch grill pan, 1.5-quart saucepan with lid, 2.5-quart saucepan with lid, 3-quart sauté pan with lid, 5-quart casserole with lid, 2 oven gloves, 5 pot and pan protectors, 2 silicone utensils. With such a variety, this set covers all your cooking needs, from frying and grilling to slow cooking and sautéing. 2. Non-stick granite coating. The medical-grade stone coating ensures a superior non-stick surface, making cooking and cleaning a breeze. It's PFOA-free and certified by FDA, BSCI, and LFGB, offering a safe and healthy cooking option. 3. Induction-compatible design. The magnetic flat bottom allows for even heat distribution across all stove types, including induction, gas, ceramic, electric, and infrared cookers. However, it's not oven-safe, so keep this in mind for baking enthusiasts. 4. Easy to clean. Thanks to its non-stick surface, cleanup is as simple as a wipe with a soft sponge. Avoid abrasive tools to maintain the coating's longevity. 5. Health-conscious cooking. The granite coating requires less oil for cooking, promoting a healthier diet without compromising on flavor. 6. Durable and stylish. The sleek gray design complements any kitchen decor, and the robust construction ensures long-lasting performance. Why choose JEETEE Pots and Pans Set? One ideal for every home chef. Whether you're a beginner or a professional, this set provides the perfect tools for preparing diverse dishes. Its versatility makes it suitable for frying, grilling, sautéing, and simmering. 2. Save time and energy. The even heat distribution minimizes cooking time and ensures consistent results, making your time in the kitchen more efficient. 3. Safe and eco-friendly. With certifications ensuring its safety, you can cook worry-free, knowing that your family's health is prioritized. Plus, the non-stick coating reduces the need for excess oil or butter. 4. Great value for money. For a 20-piece set, this cookware offers exceptional value, combining quality, quantity, and affordability. Usage tips for best results. 1. Avoid metal utensils. Use silicone or wooden utensils to prevent scratching the non-stick coating. 2. Medium heat is best. High heat can damage the coating over time. 3. Proper storage. Utilize the included pot and pan protectors to prevent scratches during storage. 4. Gentle cleaning. Stick to soft sponges and mild dish soap for cleaning. Conclusion. This JEETEE Pots and Pans Set Non-Stick 20 PCS is not just another cookware set. It's an investment in a healthier, more efficient, and enjoyable cooking experience. With its durable granite coating, versatile compatibility with various stovetops, and thoughtfully designed accessories, this set is a true kitchen workhorse. Its non-stick surface promotes healthier meals with minimal oil usage, while the easy-to-clean design saves precious time, making it ideal for busy households. Whether you're a professional chef seeking a reliable partner in the kitchen, or a home cook aiming to elevate everyday meals, this cookware set delivers outstanding value and performance. The comprehensive range of pots, pans, and tools ensures you'll always have the right equipment for any recipe, while the high-quality materials promise lasting durability. Why settle for less when you can have a cookware set that combines style, functionality, and health-conscious features? Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and transform your kitchen into a culinary haven. Don't miss the opportunity to upgrade your cooking game with a set that's as reliable as it is versatile. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.